Earth is racing through space at an incredible speed, so why doesn't it just drift off into the emptiness instead of staying close to the sun? With nothing visible holding it in place, it almost feels like it should just fly away. Every day, we see the sun in a familiar position in the sky. It doesn't shrink into the distance, and Earth doesn't seem to wander off into deep space. So, why doesn't Earth escape and drift away from the sun? If it's constantly moving, what keeps it from flying off forever? Here's where it gets strange. Earth is already trying to drift away right now. There's no rope, no barrier, nothing physically attaching it to the sun. And yet, it never leaves. The reason comes down to a delicate balance between motion and gravity. The sun's gravity is constantly pulling Earth inward. At the same time, Earth is moving sideways at an enormous speed, fast enough to try to escape that pull. And this is the part most people don't realize. Neither side wins. Instead of escaping or falling inward, Earth ends up doing something completely different. It follows a curved path around the sun and orbit. Imagine swinging a ball tied to a string. The string pulls it inward, while its motion keeps it moving around. If you let go, it flies away instantly. That's exactly what would happen if the sun's gravity suddenly disappeared. Earth would shoot off in a straight line into space. But because gravity is always there, it continuously bends Earth's path, keeping it looping around instead of drifting away. This balance has to be incredibly precise. If Earth moved slower, it would spiral inward. If it moved faster, it could escape entirely. Right now, it has just the right speed to stay in a stable orbit. And it's not alone. Other planets are locked in similar paths, influenced by massive bodies like Jupiter, creating a stable system that has lasted for billions of years. So Earth doesn't stay near the sun because it's stuck. It stays because it's perfectly balanced between escaping and falling. Which means right now, you're standing on a planet that is constantly trying to fly away, while gravity quietly keeps it in an endless loop. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.